Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Windows 11. This is the error during the Windows 11 2.4H2 update installation, which usually points to issues with corrupted update files, permissions, and system conflicts. Here are a couple of ways to fix it. The first thing you want to do is run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Search, go to Settings, left hand side, you're going to see System. Click on that, scroll down until you see Troubleshoot. From here, go to Other Troubleshooters, and from here, you see Windows Update. Click on Run next to it to run the troubleshooter, and then follow the instructions on screen. The next thing you want to do is open Command Prompt as an administrator. So type in CMD, right click on that, hit Run as administrator. Right, not run, netstop WUA serve and stop bits. Sorry, netstop bits. Then after you have done that, you want to go to open up your C drive, scroll down until you see Windows, scroll down until you see software distribution, and from here delete all of the contents. Then after you've deleted the contents, go back to your command prompt and then restart both of them. So go netstart WAUS serve and netstart start bits. Okay, now that should have fixed the issue. If it didn't, move on to the next step. The next step is type in sfc/scan now. What this does, this will scan your entire file system for corrupt files and automatically replace them. It is quite useful. And after that has finished, I don't want to wait for it to finish, so I'm going to open a new window. But after that is finished, type in DISM /online /cleanup, one word, -image /restore health, one word. And that will take some time, but it will repair the files. Okay, after you have done that, you want to reset the Windows Update components again in the command prompt. There are many of them, and I really don't want to put all of them in, so I'm gonna put them in a video description or into the pinned comment below. So basically run them one by one, and that should fix the issue. The next thing you want to do is disable a third-party antivirus or firewall if you have one installed. Windows firewall is fine, but a third-party firewall doesn't play well sometimes with Windows updates. The next thing you might want to do is download the ISO directly from Windows. So if you just type in Windows 11 2.4H install here, install ISO, and you can download it directly onto an ISO, and you can create some media including USB or DVD and use that. And the last thing you want to do is maybe perform a clean boot of Windows. So type run msconfig in here, and from here go to services, hide all Microsoft services, disable all, restart your computer, and attempt the update once again. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice day.